Hey everybody, Sam back once again for another cracking unboxing, and we're going to unbox this. Yes, the NVIDIA Shield TV. Now, I was going to get this a while ago. I kept umming and ahhing. It came in a sale. I had a bit of Amazon vouchers. So I think, you know what? I'll have it. And I'm here to show you what's inside the box today. Now, it's not the newest TV box on the market. It does run Android TV, which is epic, which is exactly what I've been looking for. But the fact is, I've got an Android TV box. It cost me around £30, give or take. Then another 20 quid or 15 quid for a remote control. So it's cheap as chips, you know, very, very cheap. But I want something with more power. I might not use the game controller, but I couldn't say no for the price. It's the box I want. I'm fed up of a slow TV, like an Android TV box. This bad boy is a killer. So, let's turn her over. Let's see what we get. Does that tell you inside there? Huh? No, it doesn't. Just tells you here. So you're going to get sold separately the Shield stand. Okay, thanks. Inside this box, we are going to get the Shield itself, the Shield controller, the Shield remote, and the power adapter. And these are the bad boy specs. I mean, look at that. It's got the Nvidia the Tegra X1, which never really made it to phones. It just kind of made it to one tablet. But I believe it's similar, or might be the actual processor in the Nintendo Switch. Pretty decent. The 256 core NVIDIA graphics, the 64-bit CPU, 3 gig of RAM, 16 gig internal storage with a USB expansion. Cool. And as you see, it's got Android TV with Google Cast. Now, I use a Chromecast. Boom. It's going to got it built in. Happy days. 4K HDR along with 1080p 720 standard. HDMI 2.0B with HDCP 2.2 and HDR. That's a mouthful. You've then got your AO211AC with the MIMO dual band Wi-Fi, so you should get pretty decent kind of speeds. It does have gigabit Ethernet if you don't want to go Wi-Fi. USB 3.0, I've got two of those bad boys. Dolby Digital Plus, Dolby Atmos 7.1 or 5.1 pass-through, and HDMI CEC. Limited warranty, blah, 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 blah. Come on, Sam, shut up, mate. Just have unbox it. People are here to see you unbox it, not talk bloody drivel. So, boom. And boom. Happy days. Ready for this? I don't think I'm ready for it. Oh, it's tight. Super, super tight. Don't want to come out. Ugh. Come on. Jeez, man. Ready? Voila. Wow. That looks pretty damn nice. Let's have a quick look at the remote control first. That feels pretty nice, actually. So it's kind of metal feeling on the back. It's got your voice control. I'm going to guess that's your back. It'd probably select. Maybe that's select. You've got your little D-pad. I believe it's the microphone inside here, to the top part there. Cool. I actually really like that. It reminds me of the Apple TV remote, but nicer. I don't know, it just feels a bit, it feels nicer to hold. Yeah. And let's stick that off to the side. We have the Shield. And I must admit, it's a little bit smaller than I expected. Now, my Android TV box is tiny, but this is, I don't know, I expected it to be a lot bigger, just for the fact that of all that power. But yeah, that is pretty damn nice. So we'll take you around it really quickly on the back of it. You got your two USB ports, USB 3, HDMI, gigabit, and then I guess that's for your power as well, just there. That's pretty much it. That's all she wrote on that. Nice little ventilation on the bottom, and again ventilation on the back there. So hopefully it shouldn't get too hot. What else do we get inside here? Oh wow, look at that. That looks like a bloody nice controller, doesn't it? Huh? Jeez, that is nice. You know what, I might be playing a few games on this one after all. I got it because I couldn't say no, and I figured, you know what, for the extra little bit of money, these are 60 quid. £60. Bloody rip-off. But I figured I got it for like 15 quid extra or something like that. Well, why not? I might as well have it for that price. And then we also get the quick start guide. Don't need that crap. The USB. I'm going to guess that's to probably charge this boy. Yeah, it's a micro USB, so no USB Type-C, unfortunately. And then we're getting some more, what is it? Some more support guide. Who cares about that? And then you get the plug. So as you can see here, it's a proprietary plug, so it's a bit of a weird one. Don't know if you can, if it wants to focus on there. Probably see it. It's a bit of an odd plug, is that one? Would have been nice to have more of a standardised one, because if this breaks, you have to bloody buy another one from them, don't you? And then you're also going to get inside here, I'm going to guess it's just your plug for your... Oh, okay. So we've got a European one. Please have a UK one. And a UK one. Hey, thank you very much, NVIDIA. So we have the UK one, which I'll be using. And that will just slot... Did that just slot down into there? Happy days. It's a fairly chunky plug, but I'm going to guess the inverter and all that kind of stuff's in there to... Yeah. And that's it. That's the unboxing, peeps. There's not really much I can show you about this. I mean, let's just see if we can stick it back in the box. Do you reckon that's good enough? Yeah? Do you think they'll take it back? Nah. Anyway, that is it. That's the unboxing. If you've got any questions about it, well, you know what to do by now. You can put a comment down below. I'm just going to stick it out to the side, because we always like to get a nice little shot at the end, don't we? Huh? How's that look? Maybe not. Maybe like this. How's that? That look better? Is that thumbnail worthy, almost? Maybe? I don't know. Maybe. Anyway, if you've got any questions about this, anything else, whether it be Android, iOS, maybe not Windows, Mac related, I can answer pretty much anything. And I can do Windows, but I just don't like Windows. Yeah. So sue me. What can I say? Then hit me and put a comment down below. If you are new to your channel, then please smash the subscribe button, because it is very much appreciated. And guess what? It's free. I know. It doesn't cost you a penny, a nickel, or a dime. And once again, does that make sense? I think it probably does. If you want to hit me up on Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, you name it, samjpullen, everywhere. Links are also down below for that as well. Go on, don't forget to smash that like button. Why? Because you want to. Anyway, people, I will also put 2 of my previous videos on screen, as well as that subscribe button there for you. And yeah, I want to say thank you for watching, and you'll hopefully hear me. You probably won't see me in my next video. Cheers, everyone.